Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis Autosports. Excited to offer you guys one of our in-house built Gen 3 4Runners. This is a 2002. This 4Runner came into us 100% bone stock, all original, as a two-owner truck with nearly 30 service records on the Carfax report. Of course, a flawless Carfax report, clean and clear title, in hand, in-house, ready to sign over. Condition wise, as you'll see in this 4K video, this 4Runner is in excellent condition. We did a ton of work to this truck, both cosmetically, mechanically, interior. So if you got about 15 minutes, sit back. I'll go through most of the build. Please check out our website, Davis, D-A-V-I-S, autosports.com for the entire spec sheet. I don't bring out a build sheet with me when I shoot these videos. I just go off in my head of everything that we did. So there's going to be a number of small items that I'll miss. So make sure to check out our website for more information, also on other inventory that we may have. So starting with the exterior, we'll start with the paint and body. Everything body-wise on this truck has been completely paint corrected. If you're unfamiliar with that, you can look it up online, but essentially with two of my recondition specialists, it's about 5 days to get this paint to look this good. Not that the paint was in bad shape. For all of our followers, you know that we do that on all the cars that we sell and build here. Everything that you see that is black on this 4Runner has been removed off of the 4Runner, sanded down, prepped, either adhesive or primed, and then our black Kevlar has been applied to it. That's throughout everything that you see that's black on here. Obviously, you're looking at a lifted 4Runner. We have a Toytech coilover system with fully adjustable upper control arms. We have forged sway bar end links front and rear, adjustable panhand bar, also known as a track bar, full service and full suspension and steering on this 4Runner. We have a set of 285 75 16 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires on XD series wheels. Give you guys a good. Now, obviously, with a coilover system, it is adjustable as well. Flares are finished in Kevlar. Side steps are finished in Kevlar, besides where you actually step on the pad itself. While we're over here, take a look at that massive sway bar end link right there. Kevlar wraps around all the way. Take a look at that brand new boiler stainless steel full exhaust. We have in-tunnel ABS window shades, front hood bug guard as well. We have a shorty antenna that we installed. Service-wise on this 4Runner, you're not going to find a more fully serviced 4Runner. This is where I know I'm going to miss a bunch of things, but we have the full time and belt water pump service. So time and belt water pump, tensioner, idler pulley, thermostat housing. We also, in addition to that major service, we have a brand new set of valve covers as well as valve cover gaskets. Every seal that could possibly be done has been done. Brand new radiator, all new plumbing. Make sure to check out our spec sheet on the services because we did so much of this truck. Underneath the engine bay, we also have a brand new K&N cold air intake. Drive line on this 4Runner has also been upgraded. We have 456 ring and pinions, master rebuild kits, the whole nine. The front and rear diffs have been fully redone. 456s, which gives this truck a perfect gear ratio. Has more pep than a stock 4Runner, even with the lifted tires, which is really, really nice. You can still cruise 85, 90 on the highway, no issues whatsoever. There's a lot of other things addressed underneath the truck, undercarriage wise, brake wise, and everything else. Just know that every single thing was done service wise that you could possibly do. We've been putting some miles on this thing, breaking it in, so the inside, although it's mostly new, it's a little bit dirty. One of the big things we did is we redid all the seats with our DAS leather package. One of the big things we do when we add leather seats to any of our vehicles is we reshape and rebuild all the bolsters. So the front seats, And you're really going to notice it when you sit in it, not when you look at it. But all the bolsters have been reshaped, remolded, and if you look at most bolsters, they're very flat. These come up as they should. We also added heated seats, and we put the controls here. That way, if the passenger turns theirs on, if the button's over there and the passenger turns theirs on, and it stays on, and the button is up, every time the driver would start the truck, it would stay on. So we put both of them here on purpose. We also have a full set of WeatherTech floor liners throughout. We did a full brand new Pioneer navigation system, upgraded the speakers, backup camera, full audio package as well. Have a rear Husky liner. Boiler exhaust has a nice little rumble to it. It's not obnoxious by any means. There's no drone. It's a really nice exhaust. It is fully stainless as well. All the rockers and dog legs, of course, are all perfect. If you really see how thick this bolster is, watch my hand just go up. We reshaped those. Usually on these 4Runners, from years and years of people sliding in and out, this just completely flattens out, and when you get in the seat, it doesn't hold you in place. So when you sit in these seats that we redo, it's really, really nice. The heated elements are high and low setting as well. Pioneer system, really, really nice. Obviously all your Bluetooth integration and all that good stuff. Some early turkey hunting right there. Ton of other things done to this 4Runner, guys. Like I said, please make sure to check out the listing so you can read thoroughly everything that was done over the course of a build. I mean, even something here, all new hardware when we're reattaching parts. Got your brand new radiator. Take a look at your brand new valve cover. Of course, your gasket is done as well. All new belts. Intake. See this paint in person, I mean, it's got a beautiful shine, super smooth finish, no dents, no dings. That is a graphite gray wheel. Suspension wise, it's done right. Oh, another thing, brand new axles up front as well. If you guys have any questions, 855-955-3377. You can also email us, jd@davisautosports.com. Thank you.